Samsung will be releasing the Galaxy S23 series of flagship smartphones by 2023. We heard that the Galaxy S23 is set to come out in early February. The device will be the middle-sized of three that will be released: the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra. This would mean a new type of phone that combines the camera array from the current Galaxy S22 phone with the stylus of the Galaxy S Note series. We have combined all the information about this mobile so you will know before you go to buy. Watch the video till the end. We still have a few months to go until Samsung unveils the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S23 series is loaded with a bevy of high-end specs that are both beneficial in your personal and professional life. We expect the price of this mobile will go near $1,199 in the US market. However, in this video, we will only talk about S23 Ultra features. You'll find all the rumors and one official statement about this new phone so far. Number 1. Performance. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra usually runs on a Qualcomm chip in the US, but it's Exynos chips elsewhere. That means the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is now officially part of the Qualcomm lineup, would join the Exynos 2300 at the heart of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The rumors seem to be inconclusive as to what we'll see from Samsung shortly. Some say that Samsung will continue using both processors in their phones for the foreseeable future, while others say that this might change anytime now with Qualcomm supplying more Snapdragon-powered models all around the world. That would be great news for European buyers, as the phones with Snapdragon processors usually have better performance than those powered by Exynos chipsets. The newest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 even performs very well on graphics tests. This is expected to bode well for how well the Galaxy S23 Ultra will do, assuming they use it. Number 2. Design and display. Rumors say the Galaxy S23 Ultra might not be a drastic change from the Galaxy S22 Ultra. It could have the same design with squared-off corners and a curved display with individual camera lenses on the back. That would also mean another embedded S Pen for your doodling needs, one of the unique features of the S22 Ultra. You might also notice a few minor changes in the newest S23 Ultra, such as it being slightly longer and wider than its predecessor, as well as slightly heavier. Additionally, people say the display and sides are flatter than before. If you're displeased with curved screens or don't like tapping or writing on them, this may please you. Although it would not be easy to improve on the super bright 6.8-inch QHD AMO LED panel and its totally variable LTPO 120Hz refresh rate. Possibly, Samsung has a smooth, brighter, or more efficient display ready to switch in as a comfortable update for this mobile. There could be some new features on the S23 display. According to Twitter leaker RG Cloud S, the entire S23 lineup is likely getting an upgraded fingerprint reader. The new sensor is from Qualcomm and it's called the 3D Sonic Max fingerprint reader. It can scan multiple fingerprints at once. It has been reported that the S23 series may have thicker bezels. However, this is likely because the display sizes of the regular S23 and S23 Plus phones are already flat instead of curved. It's possible that this trend won't carry over to the Ultra model. From what we can see so far, the Galaxy S23 Ultra will have more square edges than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. It looks like Samsung is sticking with its tried and true Galaxy Note design. There will be 4 different colors you can choose from for the S23 series. The 4 colors are black, beige, green, and light pink. All 3 models of the S23 series will have this available. Number 3. Cameras. One of the major new features on the S23 Ultra could be a 200MP camera, which is substantially higher than the already res 108MP camera on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. For those who want more detail and brightness, these 200MP photos may be a good choice. It appears that the 200MP main camera will perform better in low light conditions than expected. In fact, a leaker claims that the Galaxy S23 Ultra's 200MP camera will be the biggest leap in photography in 5 years. The leaker's praise came specifically from how well the night mode performs, being capable of taking photos in an environment with almost no light. When comparing it to the Galaxy S22 Ultra's 6 seconds shooting time, this night mode comes out brighter and with a much higher quality photo. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is already a capable camera phone with excellent night shots. Any new updates on top of that would make for fantastic photos, whether in the light or dark. The new Samsung 200MP camera sensor will most likely be the same one we see on the upcoming Galaxy S23 Ultra. It has impressive low-light capabilities, according to ISOCELL HPX, which Samsung showcased recently. Ice Universe, a reliable social media leaker, has announced that the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will use a 200MP sensor with a 0.6 UM pixels on a 1 and 1.3 inch sensor. While these specs don't match the ISOCELL HP1 or HP3 sensor, it looks like it may be the ISOCELL HPX we'll see on the upcoming smartphone. One of the big changes this year is that we'll see a 40MP selfie camera once again, but it's possible that it will be swapped for the same 12MP camera found on other models. If it has improvements in other areas, then we won't mind at all. 1 out of the 5 total cameras appears to be receiving a major upgrade, but hopefully Samsung will reveal some new software capabilities or camera modes at what they think will be the launch. These additions may make the S23 series seem like a better option. Number 4. Battery and charging. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is expected to be powered by a 5000 mAh battery, the same as what we saw in Samsung's Galaxy S22 Ultra, Galaxy Club, and leaker Ice Universe. Despite the lack of extra capacity, this size of the battery is appropriate for large Android devices. For now, let's hope that Samsung can squeeze out a little more battery life from the S23 Ultra. The Galaxy S22 Ultra lasted a decent amount of time on our custom battery test. In contrast, the iPhone 14 Pro Max lasted longer. The new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, rumored for S23 models, may also help with efficiency, which is especially great given that it's better than Exynos Galaxy S22 models. The new Light performance mode is coming to the Samsung Galaxy S23 range, and it will reportedly reduce both battery usage and the phone's internal temperature. The new mode could provide up to a 20% increase in battery life, so we anticipated that newer models, like the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, would have extended battery life as well. According to the rumors, the Samsung S23 Ultra will have no charging speed change, meaning it'll keep its current 45-watt ability. The Galaxy S22 Ultra was the same, although Samsung's own 45W charger was able to give it 67% within half an hour. In other words, while this was a good improvement over their previous mobile devices, 25W and lower chargers, it still doesn't compare with what smartphones like OnePlus 9 are capable of, with their solid 65-watt standards. The Galaxy S23 series looks like an overall improvement, but the Galaxy S23 Ultra will be getting a few more upgrades. We're excited to see how the rumored 200MP camera shakes up the photo quality on Samsung's most photography-focused phone, as well as how the new chipset will perform and impact things such as battery life. Samsung needs to work hard if they want to compete with the iPhone 14 Pro and other flagship smartphones. They need to think about maximizing performance and efficiency, while also making sure the Galaxy S23 Ultra stands for something special. Be sure to stay tuned for more information about the Galaxy S23 before it hits the market. Well, please don't forget to comment on which of the features you like the most. That's all for today's video. Thanks for staying tuned. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future video updates. See you in the next video.